If you want to remove a SIM card from a Realme Note 70T, then first of all we need to eject the SIM tray, which we can find on the left side of the phone. There's also this hole over here which we need to use. More precisely, we need to use the eject tool and put it into this hole like this, and then use a little bit of force to push it down. At least in my case, I need to push it down so that the SIM tray pops out. And then we're gonna remove it from our smartphone. There we go. And of course, removal is really easy. You can technically just turn it around like this, upside down. I mean, you can flip it upside down in order to get rid of everything. And then, of course, put it back in. Remember to do this on the correct side. Over there, we can also read that this is the front side. Over there at the bottom, you should be able to read face to screen. I'm not sure if I can get the focus, but perhaps you should be able to find it over here on this side. So let's put it back into the smartphone and make sure that it is fully and properly in. There we go. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.